Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. And today, let us begin the new concept from the chapter, the rise of revolution, rise of nationalism in Europe. And today's topic is the revolution of liberals 1848. 1848. 1848, the revolution of liberals. 1848, it is marked as one of the most important and significant year in the history of Europe because 1848 it witnessed for some of the changes which brought a rapid change in the European society, and changes are due to some of the reasons. They are first reason, economic hardship or economic instability. Economic hardship or economic instability in the different parts of Europe led to revolts by artisans. Economic hardship or instability in Europe led for the rise of revolts, and which are mainly led by artisans, industrialists, then peasants, and others. So, economic instability and economic hardship in Europe by 1848 led for the rise or breakout of revolts, and these revolts are mainly led by artisans, industrialists, peasants, and other group of people. So that is first reason why 1848 is marked as significant and most important year in the history of Europe. And second reason, middle class people in Europe, they demanded for constitution and for the formation of representative government. Middle class people, demanded for constitution and for the establishment of representative government. Second reason for which 1848 is the important and significant event, and which marked the rise of or breakout of revolutions in Europe. So middle class people particularly, they demanded for the adaptation, for the implementation of constitution, and also for the establishment of representative government in the Europe. Then third one, Germans, Magyars, then Krutz, then Poles, and other states. These states demanded for the formation of nation. So Germans, Magyars, Krutz, Poles, and other nation state or nation. So because of these three important revolts, these three important results, so 1848 marked as an important and significant year for where number of revolutions, number of revolts broke out in the different parts and different regions of Europe. So the important revolts which are mainly broken out in the year 1848, they are revolution in France, revolution in France, then revolution in Germany, then third one, woman revolution or woman revolt. So I repeat once again, today's topic we are discussing, it is the revolution of liberals 1848 or 1848, the revolution of liberals. So 1848 is the year in the history of Europe which marked significant or most important events which are mainly taken place in the history of Europe. So the significant events which are mainly taken for the three important reasons, namely economic hardship or economic instability in the Europe made for the rise of revolt which are mainly led by artisans, industrialists, peasants and other group of people. Then second one, middle class people in Europe, they demanded for the implementation and adaptation of their own constitution and also for the establishment of representative government in Europe. Then Germans, Magyars, Kurds, Poles and other regions in Europe, they demanded for the formation of their own independent nation. So because of these three important purposes are the reasons, so revolution or revolts in Europe, they are mainly broken out in the year 1848. So the important revolts which are mainly broken out in the year 1848 in different parts of Europe, they includes revolution in France or revolt in France, revolution in Germany or revolt in Germany, and woman revolution or woman revolt. So let us discuss one by one. What is revolution in France? What is revolution in Germany? And what is woman revolutions? First revolution or revolt which was mainly broken out in Europe in the year 1848 is revolt in France. Revolt in France. In the year 1848, in the month of February, in the year 1848 and in the month of February, the vast population of Paris, they revolted against their king in France, Louis Philippe. These vast group of people in Paris in the month of February in the year 1848, they revolted against their king Louis Philippe because number one, acute food shortage in France, an acute food shortage in France, then widespread unemployment. The vast population of Paris revolted against their king Louis Philippe in 1848 February month because of two reasons. Number one, an acute food shortage, ಆಹಾರದ ಕೊರತೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ. Then widespread unemployment. So because of these two important purposes are the reasons. Revolution or people from Paris revolted against King Louis Philippe. Because of taking solution for these two problems, the important demands placed by people, it is National Assembly need to be proclaimed, need to be changed, modified in France as a republic. National Assembly need to be changed or converted as a republic. Then all adult men above the age of 21 years, all the adult above the age of 21 years need to be given right to vote. Right to vote. Then adult males, adult men guaranteed even right to work. Right to work. And most importantly, people demanded for freedom of press and freedom of forming an association. I repeat once again. Today we are discussing the first revolution, which was mainly broken out in the history of Europe in the year 1848. That is revolution in France, or revolt in France. So in the year 1848 February, people from Paris, they revolted against their King Louis Philippe. They revolted because of two reasons. Number one, acute food shortage and widespread unemployment. So because of fulfilling these, because of overcoming from these two problems, people taken part or people took part in revolt for four important demands. Most importantly, first demand is National Assembly need to be proclaimed or need to be changed, need to be converted in France as a republic. Then all the men or all the males above the age of 21 years need to be given right to vote, and at the same time all the males to be given right to work. Most importantly, freedom of press and freedom of forming an association. These were the four important demands of the people. To fulfill these four demands, people launched a revolt in France in the year 1840. So with this we will end today's session, and about next revolts which were mainly taken place in different parts of Europe, so that we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.